السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تمسك بسنته إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم. And again, welcome to our Arabic class. And I'm going to show to you the lessons that we studied last Saturday. So we introduced to you the Arabic alphabet. And I believe that you have your own copy of this book. You have your, I don't know if you have the hard copy, but I believe you have the soft copy of it. So you have in front of you the Arabic alphabet that has the drawing. So it is showing to you the place of the tongue when we are going to pronounce any of the letters of the Arabic alphabet. So as you can see, from alif until ya, try to look at the picture, the position of the lips, the position of your mouth and the tongue, how we are going to pronounce the Arabic alphabet from alif to ya, inshallah. And one of the examples, as you can see here, like for example, this ta, you can see the tongue on the top of the upper teeth going to the upper palate. So that's the way how we pronounce the letter ta, ta, ta. All right. So now we are going to proceed to the next lesson, inshallah. And actually, we are not yet in our lesson number 1. It is just an introduction for the Arabic alphabet for all of you to learn the Arabic alphabet first. And because we don't have that much time to stay with you in the Arabic alphabet, to have more explanations and to make this alphabets familiar to all of you and be memorized. You all memorized it. Okay, so please do by yourself memorize the Arabic alphabet. How you memorize them seems like the same like if you are singing, you can easily memorize the song. Or let us say the same as when you are just simply hearing the verses, like for example, the Surah Al-Fatiha. You are repeatedly hearing the Surah Al-Fatiha from the audio, then you are just following the reciter. So the same thing, the Arabic alphabet, you have the YouTube, just repeatedly listen to it and then you will memorize it. But the challenge on it is you to know, to make all of the letters familiar to you. Even without looking at your copy, you are able to write down the Arabic alphabet from alif to ya. And then if the teacher will ask you to say, like, for example, what letter is this? What letter is this? Easily you will say it. You will answer the question because Arabic alphabet is already memorized by you. Okay. So I believe every one of you can see the screens. Now, let us proceed. Arabic alphabet, as what we mentioned before, it is starting from right to left. When we write Arabic, we are always writing from right to left. And when we are reading Arabic, we are also reading Arabic from right to left. The same thing, if we are reading the Quran, if we are writing any verse from the verses of the Quran, we are writing it from right to left, and we are reading the Quran from right to left. As you can see in front of you on the screen, this is one of the examples if you want to write the Arabic alphabet or the Arabic words. So this is just an exercise, how to exercise your hands to make the stroke of the Arabic letters. Okay. Now, so as you can see here, if you have your scratch paper, you can follow these lines, or even if you have the hard copy of the book, you can follow this as how we exercise our hands. And then after that, you can try to write the Arabic alphabet by cells. Okay. Anyone want to say something? Anyone want to say something? Okay, let's continue. So, okay, this is now the Ad-Darsul Awwal. Ad-Darsul Awwal. Ad-Dars, that means, listen very carefully, Ad-Dars, that means the lesson. The lesson. Al-Awwal is the first. That means the first lesson. The first lesson. Al-Awwal, Al-Thani, Al-Thalith. So like that, okay? Al-Awwal is the first, Al-Thani is the second, Al-Thalith is the third, and the rest of the numbers. Now, I want to play this audio, and I want you all to listen very carefully, because we're gonna have a kind of exercises in this lesson, inshallah, for us to read the words that are written on the screen. Yes, Sister Aisha? Okay, because Sister Aisha's microphone is open. Maybe you want to say something? Do you have some question? Okay, we will continue. So I will play now the audio. Everybody listen very carefully.
الدرس الأول. استمع ثم ردد. ورد، أرز، إوز، دور.
All right. So what is the instruction here? In English, it is written listen, then repeat. In Arabic, again, listen very carefully.
الدرس الأول. استمع ثم ردد. ورد، أرز، إوز، دور.
All right. So now you have, okay. All right, no problem, Sister Aisha. Forgiven. Great. Now, in Arabic, take note the vocabulary. It says istami'. Istami'. The translation is listen. In Arabic, when you hear somebody saying to you istami', istami', that means with pay attention. Listen with paying attention, because you can also say simply isma'. Isma', listen, isma'. But when you say istami', that means with paying of attention. Listen and pay attention, something like that. All right. You need to focus. You need to concentrate, because you need to learn these things, this lesson about these 4 words, vocabularies in front of us. Then thumma, thumma. So it is translated as then. So that means listen very carefully, and then thumma raddid, raddid. That means repeat. Raddid. Anyway, the verb used in this lesson by default is for masculine. When I say istami' anta, you, masculine, singular person, second person, anta. When I say raddid, also anta, you repeat. Anta, you, masculine. Like for example, I will say istami' anta ya taslim. All right? Raddid anta ya taslim. Because if I will use this future tense, this verb for the woman, for the lady, that is anti, you, anti Fatima, anti Aisha. For the boy, anta, anta Taslim, anta Muhammad, anta Mahmud. All right. For the girl, I will say istami'i. So this ain in the end, there will be a ya. There will be ya in the end. Istami'i anti ya Aisha. Istami'i anti. Thumma raddidi. There is ya in the end. Okay. So it's just an additional to this lesson. But what we want to focus on here is that we have 4 words in front of us. The first word, ward. The audio said ward, ward, but you can also say wardun, wardun. So meaning this is waw that has fatha actually here. That has fatha. All right, 1 second. This waw that has fatha here. All right. Then this ra is sukun. Then this dal is dammatain. Oh, yes, dammatain. We can say tanwin damma. So we read waw fatha wa ra sukun r war war. Then dal tanwin damma dun war dun. And then I will show to you in this picture where or which one here is the wardun. All right, later on. I just want you first to realize how to read the following word in front of you. So the first word given, wardun. If you say ward, that is okay, but the best for you to say to complete the vowels, wardun. Waw as W, waw with fatha a, wa, ra sukun, silent, vowelless, r, war, dun. Even though I cannot hear you, just please follow what I am saying to you. When I am saying the letter and uttering for you the word, you can also say it by yourself, even I cannot hear you, okay? So the first word again, war, dun. And later on, I want you to give me, maybe you can also speak a little. I want to hear from you what is the meaning of wardun and the rest of the words. Next, the audio mentioned this word as aruz, 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 all right? Aruz. So sometimes we are hearing this word as not aruz, but urzun, urzun. This is the plural form because the singular of this word is ruz, ruz, ra, zay, okay? So the audio says aruz, alif fatha a, then ra damma damma ru, aruz, okay? The same thing, aruzzun. There is shadda, aruz zun, then dammatain, aruzzun. All right? Or we can say instead of aruz, we can say urzun actually. Okay, where is it? How do I write it now? Where's the writing? I cannot find. Second. Okay. Alif damma u ur u, then ra sukun ur. Then the zay is tanwin damma ur zun, the plural of the word ruzzun, urzun. All right. Alif damma u ra sukun r, then ur. Then the zay or za, if you like to say za, with dammatain, to damma or tanwin damma, you call it tanwin damma, zun. So you read the word zun, zun. That is the second word. And after this, we are going to distribute the words according to the pictures in front of you. All right. Next word. This alif that has small hamza down. Then we will put kasra here. So now we read it as alif kasra i. Alif kasra i. And then the waw is fatha. So if the waw is fatha, we read the waw as wa. Alif kasra i, waw fatha wa, iwa. Iwa. All right, just follow. Iwa. Then the za, the audio said iwaz, iwaz, iwaz. Okay, If we follow the audio, it is saying to you that the last letter of all of the words are sukun, iwaz. But the correct one is to make it complete. In the end, there will be tanwin dhamma. Za, tanwin dhamma, zun. So we read the word iwazun. 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 Okay. So again, pay attention. We have wardun. We have urzun. We have iwazun. And the last word, dal. The first letter is dal. Dal that has fatha, we read it da. Da. And then next letter is waw. The waw with sukun vowelless, we read daw. Da fatha, da, waw sukun, daw. Daw. Then the ra with tanwin dhamma again. Ra, dhammatain or tanwin dhamma, run. Ra, tanwin dhamma, run. Daurun. Daurun. So the words in front of you, 4 words, vocabulary. Wardun, say it after me. Wardun, urzun, iwazun, daurun. Now you can realize the difference between other languages, between other language and Arabic. In English, you will find English very different from Arabic. Arabic, you will read the word according to the consonant and vowel. If the vowel is short, if the vowel is long, just follow the vowel, how we read the Arabic word. Okay? Because as I was always giving as an example, like for example, in English, we have letter C. So if we write, like for example, this letter C, and this word is, we read it in English as city, because we use the letter C, city. But if this letter C, I will use it in another word in English, and I will write cat. The C is no longer be pronounced as C, but it is already like K, cat. So as you can see, Arabic is more easier than English in this case. Now, so as you can see, waw, fathawa, just follow like that. Ra sukun, war, dal, tanwin dhamma, dun, wardun. See, very easy. Arabic is very easy. Again, your words for today are wardun, urzun, iwazun, and daurun. Okay, now, if you are able to participate, please participate with me. This is, in Arabic also, we have what we call in English the demonstrative pronoun. The demonstrative pronouns in English, any one of you knows about the demonstrative pronouns in English? Okay. If I say in English, this, that is demonstrative pronouns. I'm demonstrating that I am particularly pointing to a thing. This is, that is, this is, that is. That is the demonstrative pronoun in English. In Arabic, we have the demonstrative pronoun. We called it al-asma al-ishara. Al-asma al-ishara. So, and here we used the demonstrative pronoun al-asma al-ishara lil mudhakkar for masculine singular, lil mudhakkar mufrad. So we are saying hadha. Hadha. If I will say hadha Taslim, hadha Imran, I cannot say hadha Zainab, hadha Marilyn. Or otherwise, I will say hadihi. Hadihi, you can take note. Hadihi for feminine. Hada for masculine singular. Hadihi Marilyn. Hadihi Aisha. Hadihi wardatun. Sayyaratun. Hadihi sayyaratun. All right, let us proceed. Now, sorry. All of the vocabulary, the words in front of us are in masculine form. So that's why we are having here hada for number 1, hada for number 2, until number 4, all are hada. For number 1, anyone can tell me hada what? Which of the 4 words that we are going to place here? Anyone can say? I just want to hear, especially if you have the brothers join us. Do you have brothers? There's no brother? Okay, anyone from the sisters? Do you want to say? What word will be here in the first picture? Again, listen very carefully. We have wardon, orzon, iwazon, daurun. Do you want to hear again? I will play it for you.
الدرس الأول. استمع ثم ردد. ورد، أرز، إوز، دور.
It's shown. I click it, then the word came. So anyway, the first one is bonus. The first picture, that is ward. Wardun, flower. Wardun. Okay. Waw fatha wa, ra sukun, war, then dal dammatain or tanwin damma, wardun. Okay, who can give me the second one? See, everybody say it for me first. Hada wardun. Hada wardun. Okay, that's it. Hada ward. That is also correct. Okay, please tell me, what is for the number 2? Hada
aruz.
aruz. Aruz. Correct. Hada aruz. Ahsantum. Very good. Number 3. Hada
Iwazun.
say it again, please.
Hada iwazun.
Hada iwazun. Hada iwazun. Because the first word I heard from you, iwaz. So there is no prolongation, okay? You're correct. Iwazun, because you repeated it. Ahsante. Very good. Iwazun. Hada iwazun. Number 4. Hada
Dawarun.
dawarun. Dawarun.
Dawarun.
Ahsanti. Hada daurun. Hada daurun. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Hada wardun. What is the meaning of it?
This is wardun.
This is what? This is what? Flower.
Light.
Flower. Don't hesitate. Hada wardun. This is flower. Number 2. Read.
Hada aruzun.
Hada aruzun or urzun. What is the meaning of this?
Rice.
Hada. This is?
This is rice.
This is rice. Number 3. Hada
Hada
iwazan. What's the meaning?
iwazun. This is duck. I don't know duck or
How you pronounce that? Goose. The long neck. The one has long neck. That is iwaz. Because that is batta, right? So that is iwazun. Plural. Okay. Number 4. Hada
daurun.
daurun. What's the meaning?
We don't know the meaning of dauron, teacher.
Okay, daurun, as you can see here, this is actually in literal Arabic word. This is Q, right? Q, on the line, on Q. When we say daur, that means your turn, next. Hada daur. You're the next, your turn. Your turn is now, and then the next is the other one. That's daur. But sometimes the Q in Arabic itself, that is tabur. Tabur, line. Q, tabur. Daur can be also used in the building. Ad-daurul awwal, first floor. Ad-daurul thani, second floor. Ad-daurul thalith, third floor. Okay? That can also be used for the buildings. And also, in the building also, we can use another word aside from daur. Aside from daur. We say also at-tabiq al-awwal, first floor. At-tabiq al-thani, second floor. At-tabiq al-thalith, third floor. Okay, that's the difference. Just take note of the words that we are using. Daurun, if I will say, al-an dauruki ya jinilin. Jinilin, ja'a dauruki. Jinilin, now is your turn. Aisha, al-an dauruki. Now is your turn. All right, that is daur also. Okay, so now, what's the next here? This is, we have remaining 7 minutes in our time. If you have your copy, especially if you have your hard copy of the book, you can please follow this one. Again, listen very carefully to the audio.
استمع ثم ردد. أ د ذ ر ز و.
Okay, so the letters in front of you, you need to follow the way how it will be written. Okay, it is saying the shape of these letters never change whenever they appear in the word. It will never change. Remember, look at this one. Istami', alif, sin, ta, mim, ain connected to each other. But this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in front of you, it will never change as how the meme change. Like for example, all right, or the sin change, because the sin, the independent form of the sin is you write like there is down like this, right? So now the sin is different. So these letters, alif, a, dal, da, dal, da, ra, ra, za, za, waw, wa. These letters will never change. It can be connected in the beginning, can be connected in the beginning, can be connected in the beginning. Take note, okay? Can be connected in the beginning, can be connected in the beginning, but it will never be connected after. No letter can be connected after. Like this here, nothing. It will not be connected. No letter can be connected. Not like the sin connected to the ta connected to the mim connected to the ain. Istami'. Not in that case. So these 6 letters are special letters that can be connected in the beginning, but never can be connected in the end or after. Okay, easy. So now you have to practice the stroke, how to write alif, dal, dal, ra, za, and waw, and you have the continuous exercises down. Number 2, here you write the words that we studied today: ward, urz, daur, iwaz, here on the blank and you continue your practice to the next letters. Okay? So, and also these things, you need to answer these things.
استمع وأكمل. ده دور ورد عوز أرز.
Okay, so I still have 3 minutes remaining time. So you have the dal here, then you have the first word. He says daur. What is the missing letter? You write. Then ward. What is the missing letter? Iwaz. What is the missing letter? Aruz. What's the missing letter? So here's the missing letter, but I want you to do that also by your own. Okay, I will skip now for you not to take it. This is the lesson number 2, inshallah, next Saturday, inshallah. Everyone has question, clarification, please? No clarification? Everything is clear? We learned, hopefully we learned. I want for our students, every time we give the lesson, you will catch them. You will learn them. Because the moment we step forward, you will be left behind if you will not learn it. Okay? Because the moment we step forward, we expect that the previous lessons we studied already in your heart and mind. You memorized them all. Then every time you step up, all of the lessons will be saved in your heart and mind, inshallah. Until we move forward, you will be very easily reading the Quran in Arabic, inshallah. Okay, so shukran, and see you next Saturday, inshallah. Wa subhanallah wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Is there any other day to learn more Arabic? For now, we only have this for New Muslim Intensive Learning Program every Saturday, inshallah. So that's all for today. Wa shukran wa barakallahu fikum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.